In this video I'm going to show you how I study skin. There are just few steps. I'll show you what. So I'm going to set my base color. Just try a few colors. Set my base color. Just going to try a couple of colors, couple of values. I'm just going to make it a little lighter. This value is not very convincing to me. Make it a little lighter. I think this is convincing. This is slightly convincing. It's slightly convincing to me. I am more of a, you can say I am more of a naturalist. I don't take values. I create values. I go with the flow. I'm going to finish the hair. I do my measurements basically with the hair. I have taken crimson red and Prussian green. Crimson red and Prussian green. I'm not interested in the shirt. Okay, this side, what I see is, I see her hair is brown, so I'm taking the help of Scarlet Lake and Burnt Sienna. It's too dark a value for me, so I'm going to come down on the value. I'm going to come down on the value a little further. Okay, we'll fill the hair up. Since the light is falling on this direction, it's not going to be, it shouldn't be that dark, so I am adding a little bit of white. The hair is my measurement for the rest of the skin. See that this area is not dark, so let me darken it. So I'm going to darken this side a little further. So here now I'm going to focus on the skin. Let's forget the hair for a while. The neck is dark. So this is the color I see. Alright. Now we'll start off with the work. I'm going to use a little bit of Scarlet Lake. Okay, this is her face. Right now I'm not interested in the features. I'm not interested in how she looks. If you are watching this video and wondering why I am doing this, I'm just showing how I study skin. This will be a really good exercise for you. See, there's no light on this side of the face, or less light, let's say. Okay, I'm going to darken her eyes a little further. See that? Darkening it little further. That's a lipstick. And I'm going to focus on this side of the face. Okay, now you see the difference. The light is falling here, no? So I would like to use here light. I can see light here and all that. This is Suka's green that I am using. See the light? So there's some light here as well. So these are the colors that I see on her face. Indian woman, little fair. No, very fair. Very fair, brown Indian woman. For study it is better to use limited number of colors. Choose a few colors and start doing your study. Okay, here also I see a little bit of light. This is cadmium red, this is scarlet lake. These are the two major colors that I am using on her. I am going to make this side of the face a little more darker. And the eyes also a little more darker. It is not necessary, it is not a rule that you will have to stick to a few colors. That is not the point here. It's just about how close you get to the work. To make it more convincing for you, I'm going to deepen, as in add a few values. See that now it is starting to make more sense. Point of this study is you'll have to get close skin wise, skin tone wise. Resemblance of the face is not important at this point. I'm just showing you how close we can get. You see now it looks more like an Indian skin, right? Brown. Look at the number of colors that is there. So fairly I have covered the skin. In my course what I have done is I have shown how to draw values, how to draw values from these colors, how to get it close to the skin color, even if your reference is a photo. So how to get it close. All of this is explained in the course, and the course link is in the description section. We'll be doing a lot of such studies. If you like my study, now for more such studies, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See, if I focus too much on the resemblance, it will take a minimum of 3 hours for me to finish. So 3 hours of tutorial is not possible, quite not possible. I'll do such rough studies now and then. Like I'll cover a lot of skin colors, Indian and also foreign. Keep the study as rough as possible so you can get the skin right. So I think I've covered majorly what I have to cover. Almost everything is covered. So we'll be doing a lot of such skin studies in the future. The major colors that I've used are cadmium red, scarlet lake, and a few greens. All of this drawing value, color combination are explained very clearly in the course. So that's about it. I'm winding up. You'll be seeing a lot of such works, lot of such studies, Indian different kind of Indian skins, like dark brown, dark, very dark, extremely fair, like a Kareena Kapoor. All of these colors you will be seeing. All of these colors will be studied in the forthcoming videos. Thank you for your time.